Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in MCX copper market today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you are seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened here 457.1. We expected copper to stay in selling, so right after the opening there was a sudden drop. You could see the price sharply came towards 441 and it's a major support. The price completely recovered and closed near 458.5. Today it's expected to open somewhere near 459. So again we could see some sort of buying happening at the bottom, and the price is not really coming down below 456, 452. Always there is a bounce back. That's possibly visible. See, once the price came on 28, suddenly it gave a retracement. Then the next day the price went up. So what we can do today? But we are going to stick on to the selling side, because we had taken enough opportunity on the buying side. Sell till 462, placing a stop loss near 463. If the price is going to trigger the stop, and if it is staying constantly above 462, it depends upon the traders to take the risk on the buying side. So let's see what's going to happen during the trading session. And thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.